First time growing turnips in a pot and I definitely made a few mistakes. They turn out smaller than I expected, but honestly I'm still happy with the result. In this video I will share exactly what went wrong, what I learned and how you can avoid the same errors if you try yourself. And to wrap it up, I will show you a simple way to cook these little turnips. These are Petrowsky Early Round Yellow, a beautiful heirloom with golden skin and sweet, delicate flavor. So let's talk about what worked and what didn't. I started them in a big fabric grow bag with loose potting mix and compost. They don't need deep pots. 25 to 30 centimeters is enough, but spacing is key. If you plant them too close, they will compete and stay small. Mine were too crowded and that definitely limited their size. Turnips prefer cool weather. Early spring or late summer is best. Too much heat makes them tough or prevents bulb formation. They also like moist but not soggy soil. Consistent watering helps them grow evenly. If the soil dries out too often, the roots can split or turn woody. I probably should have watered more during the hotter days. Another mistake, I let the tops of the turnips sit above the soil. That's why the upper half turned green. If you want nice, even colored bulbs, mount a little soil around them as they grow. Around week 8, I started wondering when to harvest. The leaves had powdery mildew, that white, dusty coating. Luckily, the bulbs were still healthy underneath. If you get mildew, remove the worst leaves and avoid watering the foliage. It won't hurt the roots, but it can slow growth. So yes, between the mildew, tight spacing and green tops, I made a few mistakes. But honestly, they still turn out great. Smaller than expected but full of flavor, and next season I will know exactly what to change. If you want to grow beautiful turnips in pots, here is what I've learned. Give them space, about 10 to 15 centimeters apart. Keep the soil light and rich in compost. Water regularly. Avoid hot weather. And heal up the soil to prevent green tops. Follow this and your turnips will be plump, sweet and tender. After 8 to 10 weeks, mine were ready to harvest. I cut the tops, pulled them gently. Small, golden, full of character. Not perfect, but honestly I'm pretty happy. And now it's time to cook. In a pan, I melt butter, add a good honey, a pinch of salt and my thinly sliced turnips. I let them cook slowly until golden and caramelized. It's simple and it brings out their natural sweetness perfectly. Even if this first try wasn't perfect, I'm proud of it, and I already know I will do better next year. If you enjoyed this little experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me if you've tried growing turnips in pots too. See you next time and happy gardening!